I am the operations manager here at this property where we have just under 650 organic cows. The farm is called Clausen Agro and is a family-run business. First, we actually invested in a EVONIR sensor from Phototechnic, which is installed on our self-propelled feed wagon. It basically controls what kind of feed we put into the mixer. In general, the EVONIR sensor affects our work by controlling how we take the feed and how much feed we need to bring in. It's clear to see a difference from day to day, for example, if it has rained a lot, in terms of how much grass and maize it takes in. Ideally, we should be able to control exactly how many kilos of dry matter our cows receive. So far, during the time we've had our EVONIR sensor, it has actually made it easier for us to manage our leftover feed. And so far, we haven't quite gotten the full picture yet because we have cows grazing in the summer, which has made it a bit more difficult to manage our leftover feed. But now, as we head into winter, I expect that we'll achieve more stability in our feeding. Well, I think that a NIR sensor is only a good thing, and I really believe it's the right way to go in general, because I trust the data I get from the NIR sensor. They seem 100% reliable to me. So I really think it's a very good investment.